Hello. My name is Anna.
Hi, Anna. I'm Ben. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Ben.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm good, thanks. Where are you from?
I'm from London. And you?
I'm from New York.
That would be great.
I moved here last month.
For my new job.
What about you? Do you work here?
Not yet. I'm free.
Do you have any hobbies, Ben?
I love books.
Me too. Maybe I'll visit your bookstore.
Sure.
That sounds fun. Do you like your job?
I'd love to. Is there anything special to do there?
I like cooking. I try new recipes every week.
That sounds fun.
I'm planning to go to the park. Do you want to come?
Which park?
Central Park. It's big and beautiful.
I've heard about it. That's perfect. Should I bring anything?
Maybe some snacks or drinks.
Good idea. I'll bring some juice and chips.
Great.
I'll bring sandwiches.
Perfect. I'm excited for Saturday.
Me too. It'll be a nice day out. What's your favorite food, Ben?
I love pizza. I could eat it every day.
Me too. Do you like cooking pizza?
I tried once, but it was hard. Do you cook pizza?
Yes, sometimes. It's fun but takes practice.
Maybe we can try making one together sometime.
Yes, that sounds fun. Do you have any brothers or sisters?
I have one brother. He's older than me.
Nice. Are you close with him?
Yes, we're close. We play sports together. We play basketball and sometimes tennis.
Tennis is fun. I played it a few times. Do you like to watch movies?
Yes, I love movies. What about you?
Yes, I enjoy movies. What's your favorite movie?
I like action movies. What do you like? Comedies are good.
I like comedies. They make me laugh.
Do you have a favorite actor?
Yes, I like Tom Hanks. He's very funny and talented.
I agree. Have you seen his latest movie?
Not yet, but I want to. Have you traveled to other countries, Ben?
Yes, I went to France and Italy last year.
That's amazing. Did you enjoy it?
Yes, both places were beautiful. Have you traveled?
I visited Spain once. It was very sunny and nice.
Spain sounds lovely. Did you visit the beach?
Yes, the beaches were so beautiful. I would love to visit Spain someday.
Same here. What's your favorite kind of music?
Yes, I love music. I listen to it every day. I like pop music. And you?
I like rock music. It has a lot of energy.
I play the piano a little.
Yes, I play the guitar.
That's cool. Maybe we could play music together. Do you read books?
Yes, I enjoy reading. What about you?
I like reading too. What's your favorite book?
My favorite is Harry Potter. And yours?
I love Pride and Prejudice. It's a classic.
I've heard of it. Maybe I should read it.
Yes, you should. It's a great story. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog. His name is Max. He's a golden retriever.
That's cute. What breed is he? I love golden retrievers. They're so gentle. I have a cat. Her name is Luna. And I'd love to meet Max.
Cats are nice too. I'd love to meet her.
Conversation 2. What is your name?
My name is Alex.
How old are you?
I am 10 years old.
Where do you live?
I live in New York.
Do you like to read books?
Yes, I love reading.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Where are you from?
I am from London.
What do you do in your free time?
I like to play video games.
How are you today?
I am good, thank you.
What time is it?
It's 3 o'clock.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I play soccer.
What is your favorite animal?
My favorite animal is a dog.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What's your favorite season?
I like summer.
Do you like music?
Yes, I listen to music every day.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is Shape of You.
Do you like watching movies?
Yes, I watch movies every weekend.
What movie did you watch last?
I watched Spider-Man.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, I love chocolate ice cream.
What is your favorite fruit?
My favorite fruit is an apple.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can.
Where do you go to school?
I go to Oakwood School.
What is your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is math.
Do you have a best friend?
Yes, my best friend is Emma.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a teacher.
Do you have a brother or a sister?
Yes, I have one sister.
What is your favorite game?
I like playing chess.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I enjoy shopping.
What is your favorite hobby?
My favorite hobby is painting.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Have you ever been to the beach?
Yes, I went to the beach last summer.
Do you like the winter?
Yes, I like snow and cold weather.
What is your favorite book?
I love Harry Potter.
Can you speak any other languages?
Yes, I can speak a little Spanish.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I like to cook pasta.
Have you ever been to a zoo?
Yes, I went to the zoo last year.
Do you like the rain?
Yes, I like listening to the rain.
What is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport is basketball.
Do you like going to the park?
Yes, I go to the park every weekend.
Do you like to sing?
Yes, I sing in the shower.
Can you draw?
Yes, I like to draw animals.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I prefer dogs.
What is your favorite drink?
I like orange juice.
Have you ever been on a plane?
Yes, I flew to Paris last year.
Do you enjoy reading newspapers?
No, I prefer reading books.
Can you play chess?
Yes, I am good at chess.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 o'clock.
Do you like taking photos?
Yes, I love photography.
Can you drive a car?
No, I am too young to drive.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor?
I like vanilla.
Have you ever been to a concert?
Yes, I saw a pop concert last year.
Do you enjoy running?
Yes, I run every morning.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat cereal with milk.
Do you have a favorite teacher?
Yes, my favorite teacher is Mrs. Lee.
Can you do math easily?
Yes, I find math easy.
What is your favorite movie genre?
I like comedies.
What is your favorite game to play?
Yes, I love playing games on my computer.
Can you bake?
Yes, I can cook pasta.
Do you like playing video games?
Yes, I like playing soccer.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.